Hello, I am the video message assistant for Paul Hindelang of Results Systems Corporation. Call me Mr. Results. Paul wants me to keep you informed and in touch about the explosive value in leadership skills development for your company. These skills have never been more important. We are in an era where knowledge about everything is freely accessed on a smartphone, but knowing is not doing. Without skills to do, to apply, and practice, we find knowing about things will not change things. Paul researches and writes all my messages focused on improving your company. He has written this important message to pass along to the business leaders who want a clear path for your teams to learn and achieve results as they adopt AI leadership. Enjoy. You hear it everywhere on radio, television, speeches, and halls of every business. AI is here to stay, but we are overwhelmed with what to do next. The corporate and moneyed interests have captured the messaging and want small businesses to quickly uproot the past tech and move to a new level of overwhelm. Microsoft has suites embedded with Copilot. Google advises that their solutions in Gemini will solve all your problems. OpenAI encourages you to place everything into ChatGPT for the magic to appear. Perplexity claims that only their model has truth references. Then, every software company offers new agents and workflows. Canva has better visual communications or specialized Oracle NetSuites, university academic labs, and many unique startups each month. Every direction you take creates its own tech stack, needing hundreds of hours of training to achieve your goals. Ouch! Help! This is strangling businesses, even those who believe in AI adoption. That is why I created the engineered AI leadership system, the people-first model for AI adoption, that first scales your people skills to get human control and confidence and focus for AI results. First, use the 12 leadership hacks to build the foundation. The hacks cost nothing but time and task, a few minutes each. If you can't get results fast with these, you won't need AI. Get them at www.resultssystems.com/hacks. Let me share some observations. Companies do need a complete transformation system for their businesses. They want to improve performance today. They hope to implement AI with confidence tomorrow. But the problem most companies face are change issues. Businesses want to use AI. Employees are scrambling, hoping to impress the boss, save their jobs. Most aren't ready, not because of technology, but because of leadership bottlenecks, cultural barriers, and broken business processes and weak skills training. This causes failed AI pilot projects, creating chaos instead of calm, wasted money on purchasing a fast-moving tech stack, employee resistance, vendor pushback, customer confusion, leadership overwhelm, and no measurable return on investment. AI cannot fix chaos. It just speeds it up to spin out of control. AI amplifies whatever systems or lack of systems you have. The solution is to engage and verify your company readiness. It begins with a company leadership assessment. Before AI adoption is considered, foundations need to be set in place. The 12 leadership hacks build the foundation. Focus, accountability, throughput, quality, leadership rhythm, team alignment. Once these habits are in place, your company becomes capable of using AI effectively. The AI adoption program then installs AI-enhanced workflows, AI assistants, digital SOPs, automated administration, sales and marketing AI tools, job profitability AI, custom AI agents for your teams. Together, they create a scalable performance engine. If you would like to learn more, for example, what you get in the bundled program. Hack first, adopt next. Step 1, install the 12 leadership hacks. Step 2, map the AI opportunities using your newly aligned teams. Step 3, build your reverse value proposition. If a solution creates $50,000 in value and costs $5,000 to $15,000 to build, it becomes the easiest yes in the world. Step 4, deploy the AI pilots fast. Simple, high impact. Sales, operations, customer service, admin, finance. Step 5, scale the AI leadership system. Your teams get stronger every month. Your processes get sharper. Your ROI compounds. You should take the systems. Two-step dance. This is what you get in the bundled program. The 12 Leadership Hacks package with the 12 hacks. Video playlist. The 12 hacks. PDF playbook. The Value Impact Calculator. The Weekly Implementation Guide. A Leadership Rhythm Toolkit. And the AI Adoption Program with AI Opportunity Mapping. Reverse Value Proposition Builder. AI Leadership Training. AI Agent. Development Workflow. Automation. Role-by-role. AI Enablement. 90-day AI Pilot Roadmap. Quarterly AI Scalability Plan. You wonder, who is this for? This is perfect for companies in trades and contracting, manufacturing, engineering, distribution and warehousing, commercial services like HVAC, roofing, professional services, engineering, multi-location or regional businesses. Implementation teams of 4 to 12 employees make the biggest gains. You can capture the guaranteed outcome of 3 times to 10 times returns. When leadership and AI work together, your business can experience 10 to 40% productivity gains, fewer fires, fewer surprises, stronger culture, higher margins, faster workflow, more accountability, better decision-making, reduced overwhelm for leadership, staff excited about improvement. Now, listen carefully. This is your call to action. After you implement the 12 hacks, you will absolutely love AI adoption. AI adoption can work for you. Your leaders are skilled and ready. No excuses, just results. It is time to explore your biggest opportunities, your biggest leaks, your marketing weaknesses. It is time to take the simplest steps to transform your performance for AI acceleration. Call Paul Hindelang from Results Systems Corporation at 248-244-8550. For Paul, this is Mr. Results signing off with a final message. Just get results. Call 248-244-8550. You will be happy you did.